The Dominic system is a technique for memorizing long sequences of numbers or playing cards by first converting them into pairs of letters, and then associating those letters with people and actions. Each number or card to be memorized is given a fixed mnemonic image of a person and an action. The creator of this system is Dominic O'Brien, a British mnemonist, 8-time world memory champion, and an author of memory-related books. It is a person-action (PA) system, which involves encoding 4 digits, 6 binary digits, or 2 playing cards at a time, into images made up of a person and an action, then placing the mnemonic images along a mental journey. But why to use people for memorizing abstract things like numbers or playing cards? Here is what Dominic O'Brien say. People can interact with stops on my journey. They have feelings and emotions that can turn an abstract scene into something calamitous, joyous, hilarious, and so on. Injecting emotion into my memorizations made them instantly more memorable. All the memory methods have the same sequence of 4 steps. Step 1. Learn the packed list of the system, the code. Step 2. Apply the code. Step 3. Create a memorable story from the images, a journey. Step 4. Memorize and recall the story and the number. The difference is in the code. After coding the numbers or playing cards in images, you must place them along a mental journey by applying the Logi method, which I presented in the first course of this series. Here is a classification of the techniques used to memorize playing cards, so you better understand the differences between these systems. 1 card, 1 image, major system. You need 52 distinct points on your journey to memorize the whole deck. 2 cards, 1 image, Dominic system, person action. You need 26 distinct points on your journey to memorize the whole deck. 3 cards, 1 image, person action object, PAL system. You need 17 distinct points on your journey to memorize the whole deck. 6 cards, 1 image, Ben Pritmore system. You need 9 distinct points on your journey to memorize the whole deck. As systems include multiple cards in an image, the pre-learned code becomes more complex. Among the top 10 mental athletes, 6 use the Dominic system, 2 athletes use 1 card systems, and 2 use the PAL system. The Ben Pritmore system is very complex, therefore it is chosen by fewer athletes. Choosing the system is an individual option for each athlete, based on his predominant type of memory and on what he feels that is more effective for himself. The Dominic system is one of the most used by mental athletes. One of the reasons is that it is easier to learn than other memory systems. The application of this method are memorizing long numbers, memorizing long sequences of binary digits, and memorizing the exact order of 1 or more decks of shuffled playing cards. The method is simple. Give to the numbers or to the cards identities that you can then link up in the current sequence by placing them along a mental journey. The Dominic system has 3 variants of code, 1 for each type of application: numbers, binary digits, and playing cards. In this course, you will learn how to create your own personal codes for each of these applications.